Hi everyone, welcome to Foundational Math 017 my name is Edith Birnbaum. I'm going to be your instructor this semester. I actually look forward to maybe meeting some of you if you come in for extra help. I created this video to introduce you to the class and to go through the syllabus with you and help you sign on into our platform ALEX that we're going to be using. So as you can see, you see my Canvas page, which you all should have. I'm going to log in right now. And once I log in, I'm going to sign into the class. So this is our class. So your dashboard, I'll go to the dashboard first. My dashboard is going to be similar to yours. And you're going to find our class. That's our class, our 900 online class. I'm going to click on it. And the first thing you're going to see is this welcome page. So let's go through it together. So here I'm introducing myself. My name is Edith Birnbaum, and I've been teaching for over 15 years. I have my master's in mathematics and my doctor. I'm going right now for an educational leadership at Arcadia. And the things that are most important to me are honesty and respect. And if you notice, I include here this video. Do watch this video, come back to it at your own time. It's really important. It's my thoughts about how you could be successful in math and how I believe everyone could be successful in math. And my thoughts are that students especially if you're placed in this class, you all actually had this math before. And the only reason you're still here is because somewhere along the line, you didn't understand something. And with math, it's really important that every step along the way, you are understanding and grasping the concept. Math builds. And what I love about these foundational classes is these are the foundational classes for all of math. Everything you take will be building on these classes. 016, you can't take 017 without 016. You can't learn how to solve equations, what we're going to do, without knowing how to add and subtract rational numbers, which are fractions and decimals. And so this Algebra 1 is needed for Algebra 2, which is needed for pre-calc, which is needed for calc. So no matter where you're going to need this math. So let's make sure that we together can build a very strong foundation. Once you're done viewing this, we're going to go down to the bottom. I'm going to hit next. And basically what I did here is I put together what's in my syllabus. Please do print out the syllabus because there's a syllabus quiz. It's like a 5-question quiz, just to make sure that we're on the same page. So here it says how to contact me, my email, where my offices are, and to make an appointment with me, please email me, but make sure that you include your name, what we're going to be studying, and what's very important is there are no calculators at all allowed to be used in the class. Now, you could be thinking to yourself, well, I'm at home, so she's not going to know if I use a calculator, if I pull out my phone. That's true, I won't. But what will end up happening is when you come in for your midterm and your final, that's where it's going to show. So it is advantageous to you to stick to not using a calculator because the more you practice without using a calculator, the better you will be and the more successful you will be. Okay, next. Okay, so we're going to be using this ALEX platform. If you haven't used it before, some of you have. If you have and you have already an account, I'm going to show you how we're just going to use your account. You're just going to log in with my class code. If not, you please purchase it. I will give you a temporary 2-week code so you can start using it as soon as possible, like today, hopefully. And it is cheaper to buy ALEX online on alex.com. However, the bookstore obviously sells it. And the textbook is optional. I haven't had anybody actually yet order the textbook. You can just, because on ALEX you can go and you could see there's a textbook online. And we're going to go through this in just a minute. So let's go to the next page. So let's look at this. Let's really review this carefully because this is your grading, which is very near and dear to your hearts. Participation is 5%. Participation includes your attendance, The quizzes that you'll see, the little quizzes, they're the quizzes on getting to know you, the quiz on Starfish, which is 3 clicks, it's not really a quiz, the syllabus quiz, there's going to be a mini quiz on the video, and the discussions are in your participation. That's 5% of your grade. ALEKS Pi completion is 10% of your grade. That you will see only this grade at the end of the semester. The homework assignments are 20%. There are 25 assignments. The midterm, which is done on campus, which we'll talk about later, we will schedule, there'll be 3 dates and 6 times for you to come in, and you can come in at any of those times and take it. You'll need your CCP ID and an ID so we can verify. Is 20% of your grade. There'll be 2 knowledge checks, which are 10%, and the final, which is also done on campus, which is 35% of the grade. So in order to pass the class, because there's a lot of confusion here, 2 things need to happen. In order to pass the class, which is right here, P for passing, you have to earn a 50% on the final, plus you have to have, your grade has to be higher than a 70%. Both of those things have to happen. So if you get a 65% on the final, but your total grade with that 65 is a 68, you don't pass the class. And the reverse is true too. Excuse me. If you have an 80 in the class, but you got a 40 on the final, you also don't pass the class. So both of those things have to happen, which I will repeat later on. We already talked about these things. These are what you need. Let's go to the next page. We're almost done. So very important, the midterm and final have to be taken in class, and exactly what I said. You have to earn a 50% on the final, and you have to have an average of 70%. Okay, so here's the syllabus. If you click right here, you could print out the syllabus, and it says the withdrawal dates. It has important information. And the Pi completion, this is in ALEKS. You will see when we get to ALEKS, we'll talk about that. Learning labs. The Learning Lab is an amazing place to go. If you're ever confused and you're torn and you're sitting in ALEKS and you're frustrated, stop and go to the Learning Lab and have somebody sit with you and work the problems through with you. You could set up a one-to-one tutoring to set up an appointment to go. You can go to their drop-in hours. They have some specifically for the 017 classes. If you do go, please send me a slip collect them and come and see me, because I give extra points. They're not extra credit. They're these, I call them math rewards points, and every 5 points I will take away a 0 grade that you have. Not a 0 on a knowledge check, test, or final, but a 0 on like a missed homework. Okay. Next. You're more than welcome to come see me anytime, but you have to make an appointment with me. And I think that's it for now. Okay, we'll pause this video, and we will continue. In the next video will be on ALEKS and registering.